Today I want to talk about builders' specifications and how that impacts on both choosing a builder and then choosing the products that's going to be installed in your new home. So at Integrity New Homes, after building hundreds and thousands of new homes, we realised that the products that are specified are so critical to the ongoing performance of the homes. And I'm leaning on this handleboard just by way of example, because there's so many products specified into the home, handles being an example, that a lot of the clients I talk to in the early stage of sales don't fathom the importance of the builder specification. So I hear things like, Glenn, can we specify these unique windows that we want to import from Germany? Or I've seen this discount sale down the road with these door handles, and all types of things. You know, I hear them every day. The reason builders specify a certain product, there's three critical things that go into that decision. One is price. Sure, price is important and it's in the mix, but the other two are actually more important than price. The other two are ease of installation, because if you buy the product for half the price but it's twice as expensive to install, there's no winners out of that. And then the last one is access to maintenance. So what happens is that product ages, it wears, it fails. Who's there to maintain it? Is there actually an Australian-based local representative that can come to your home and service or fix that product? Now for me, over time, that starts off as a tiny consideration, becomes the biggest consideration at the end of the day. And that's why we at Integrity always specify products like Gainsborough door furniture, a well-known Australian-based manufacturer that'll be there to service the product for the life of the product. So I just want to encourage you, as you're thinking about home building and thinking about builders and why they intentionally choose products like this, it's for those three reasons. Price, yes. Ease of installation, yes. Access to ongoing service trumps it all at the end of the day. So I hope that's a help to you as you consider choosing a builder and the products they specify.